Good evening and welcome to India's 38. Check your knowledge on India's 38 by solving MCQs. So there are few MCQs we are going to take today, and this will be very useful for your exam. It will help you to check your level of preparation also. So are you ready to take this challenge? Yes. On 2nd January 2015, NDA Corp brought a trademark from Induga Corp for rupees 5 lakh. NDA retained an independent consultant who estimated the trademark's remaining life to be 20 years. Its unamortized cost on Induga accounting records were 3,80,000. NDA decided to amortize the trademark over the maximum period allowed. In NDA's December 2015 balance sheet, what amount would be reported as an accumulated amortization? We are in the books of NDA Corp. What will be accumulated amortization on 31st December 2015? Will you take 5 lakh divided by 20 or 3,80,000 divided by 20? You are in the books of NDA, they have purchased it for 5 lakh. So for them the cost is 5 lakh. 5 lakh divided by 20 years, 25,000. Do we have any option? 25,000 here. So first you have to do your own calculation and check if there is any option. The answer is yes. But if somebody by mistakes takes 3,80,000 and divide by 20, for him also there is an option. Okay. So the correct answer is option C. C is the correct answer. In your book I have written the explanation also, which you can later on read. One more question, number 2. During 2015, NDA Corp incurred costs to develop and produce a routine low-risk computer software product as follows. Completion of the detailed program design. What will you call it? Sorry. This is a planning stage. It is like research and development, research expenditure, P&L account. Cost incurred for coding and testing to establish technological feasibility. Again P&L account. Other coding cost after establishment of technological feasibility. This right side means capitalized, left side means P&L account. Other testing cost incurred after establishment of technological feasibility. Capitalized. Cost of producing product master for training material. Capitalized. Wait. Duplication of computer software and training material from product master. These are inventory items. Packaging product 500 units. These two will be inventory item which are produced from the master. In NDA Corp December 31, 2015 balance sheet, what amount will be capitalized as software cost? Is it 59,000? Is it appearing as one of the options? 24,000 plus 20 plus 15. So it can come as a 4-mark question also. Then you will not be given the options. And with the option it can be converted into an MCQ question. So the correct answer is option C, 59,000. And in your book the explanation is printed, which you will read later as homework. Question number 3, which is a continuation of question number 2, only last 2 lines we will read. In NDA Corp December 31, 2015 balance sheet, what amount will be reported as inventory? What amount will be reported as inventory? 25 plus 9. Do we have any option? 34,000 there? Yes. So the answer is B. And you can read the explanation for this question printed below. Now we'll go to question number 4. NDA Inc. has 2 patents that have allegedly been infringed by the competitor. After investigation, legal counsel informed that it had a weak case on patent A34. Weak case on patent A34 and a strong case in regard to patent B39. NDA incurred additional legal fees to stop infringement of B19. Both patents have a remaining life of 8 years. How should NDA Limited account for this legal cost relating to the two patents? These are the costs incurred to defend your patent. These are not directly attributable costs to bring the patent to the location and condition as intended by the management. So whatever story they will write, you will be firm. You will say both the legal expenses will be expensed. Which is that option? Option B is the right answer. Legal expenses to defend your patent, trademark, copyright, all will be charged to profit and loss account. Question number 5. On 1st January 15, NDA Corp incurred organization cost or preliminary expense of rupees 24,000. What portion of organization cost will be deferred to the year subsequent to 2015? Can we defer organization cost or preliminary expense? What have you studied? This cannot be deferred. They have to be charged to P&L account. So the answer is 0. If you give 0 answer, you will get a positive mark. If you write any positive answer, you will get 0 marks. So the answer was D. You are right. Question number 6. According to Ind AS 38, which one of the following criteria are relevant in determining the useful life of an intangible asset? Which criteria are relevant? Expected usage, residual value, amortization period? None of the above. What will help you to decide the useful life of the asset? Expected usage of the asset. How you are going to use, for how long you are going to use will affect the useful life. So the answer is A. Tick mark A. Next question. According to Ind AS 38, amortization of intangible asset with a finite useful life should commence. Should commence. When should amortization commence? When it is available for use. Is there any option called available for use? Which option? B. Option B. Next, question 8. A newly set up .com entity has engaged you as its financial advisor. The entity has recently completed one of its highly publicized research and development projects and seeks your advice on the accuracy of the following statement made by one of its stakeholders. Which one is it? So you have to check which statement is correct. Cost incurred during the research phase can be capitalized. Is it a correct statement? Wrong statement. Cost incurred during development phase can be capitalized if criteria such as technical feasibility of the project being established are met. Yes. Training cost of technician used in research can be capitalized. No. Designing of jigs and tools qualify as research activities. No. So which is the most appropriate answer out of for this? B is the right answer. Option B. Okay, now try question number 9. Which item listed below does not qualify as an intangible asset? Does not qualify. Computer software is an intangible asset? Yes. Patent? Yes. Copyright? Yes. Notebook computer, is it an intangible asset? The answer is no. So this is the appropriate answer, option D. One more chance. Question number 10. Which of the following items qualify as an intangible asset under Ind AS 38? Will qualify as intangible asset? Advertisement and promotion? No. College tuition fees, paid to employees who decide to enroll as an executive in MBA program at Harvard University while working with the company. No, why are you laughing? See the imagination. Operating losses during initial stages. No. Legal costs paid to intellectual property lawyers to register a patent. Yes. That means you have understood this standard. Now one last chance to demonstrate your skill. Which of the following disclosures is not required by Ind AS? Not required. 3 of them are required, 1 of them is not required. Useful life of intangible asset, required to be disclosed. Reconciliation of carrying amount, required. Contractual commitment for acquisition of intangible asset, again required. Fair value of similar intangible asset used by the competitor, not required. This disclosure is not required, so therefore this is the answer. Any query? Who got all answers right? Very good. All answers are right. So this was an amazing test on MCQ on Ind AS 38. So subscribe to YouTube channel and you will get more MCQs coming soon. Thank you very much.